In the early 1800s, it took an entire family all day to harvest crops. 2 centuries later, a combine harvester made it to croplands, and the supposed long day activity shortened into seconds. Reaping, threshing, winnowing are the three operations that lead to the invention of the combine harvester, or simply known as combine. This technology is considered as one of the most significant inventions in the field of agriculture as it speeds up the harvesting process. As the farmers said, this technology is revolutionary.
The technology began in 1826 when Reverend Patrick Bell of Scotland designed a reaper for a large machine that cuts stalks and is maneuvered by horses. It was followed in 1836 when Charyl Mae and John Haskell of Michigan invented the first ever working combine harvester. In the same year, American McCormick invented his popular mechanical reaper. Farmers continued to streamline the harvesting process, which later on led to the invention of stripper harvester. With the help of his combined technology, John Ridley was able to simply strip the heads of the wheat stalks. In the late 1800s, George Stockton Berry integrated the combine with the steam engine, and it became the first combine to provide power. In 1885, Hugh Victor Mackay refined the process and created the first commercial combine harvester called the Sunshine Heather Harvester. In 1911, Holt Manufacturing Company from California was in charge of manufacturing self-propelled combines. The typical threshing crew consisted of 20 to 30 workers, but the combine only needed 4 or 5 crew to operate. In 1915, the first line of tractor-pulled combines with an engine aboard powered the threshing mechanism. The tractor-drawn combines of G.I. Case and John Deere were rapidly adopted after World War I. The era of tractors started this year, and record says 8,274 combines were used in 1926 and 75,000 in the U.S. By 1937, Massey Harris led the famous Harvester Brigade. In 1975, New Holland introduced the first commercial twin-rotor combine. A significant advance in harvesting technology is still in use today.
What are the important uses of this technology? Due to the increasing demands of rice as the population grows, combine harvesters can improve productivity and environmental sustainability in rice production. The modern-day combines become a 4-in-1 machine, reaping, threshing, cleaning, and bagging operation, which can cut small grain and can harvest up to 24 acres per hour. The majority of today's are rotary combines that offer multi-crop threshing and rotary separation. Optional equipment includes GPS, data collection, luxury panoramic view cobs, touchscreen monitors, and more. What are the positive impacts of combine harvester technology to socio-economic condition? Save rice harvesting time and rice is cleaner. Decreases production cost and save labor involvement.
Negative impacts of combine harvester technology to socio-economic condition. Conflicts between farmer and harvester workers. Pays a small amount to feed. No place to dry in large quantities. Land cultivation can't be used for traditional cultivation anymore. What are the drawbacks of this technology? With the use of advanced technology, the farmers will lose their connection to nature because the machines will do all the work. If this continues, the employment rate for agriculture will decrease because of the technology won't be needing much crew. It would also be hard to shift back to the traditional cultivation method because many farmers would often choose the light and fast workload with the help of these farm machineries.